Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x to the power of 6 is equals to 7 to the power of 6 to find the values of x. In the first step, we take this 7 to the power of 6 to this side. So it will be x to the power of 6 minus 7 to the power of 6 is equals to 0. In next step, in here we can write this x to the power of 6 as x to the power of 3 to the power of 2 and minus also this 7 to the power of 3 and to the power of 2, right, is equals to 0. And here this is in the form of a square minus b square, right, and we can write this as a minus b times a plus b. So in here we can write this as x cubed minus 7 to the power of 3 times x to the power of 3 plus 7 to the power of 3 is equals to 0. And here, this times this is equals to 0, so x cubed, x to the power of 3 minus 7 to the power of 3 is equals to 0, or x to the power of 3 plus 7 to the power of 3 is equals to 0, right? So in here, we start by this equation, so we write in here, x to the power of 3 minus 7 to the power of 3 is equals to 0. In here, if we have a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b times a square plus ab and plus b square, right? So in here we can write this in this form, and it will be x minus 7 times x square minus 7x, plus 7x and plus 7 to the power of 2, it will be 49 is equals to 0. In here we have two solutions. X minus 7 is equals to 0, or x squared plus 7x plus 49 is equals to 0. From here, x is equals to 7, and this is our first answer. And here we have quadratic formula, and we have quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is 7, and c is constant is 49. So in here it will be x is equals to negative b, negative 7 plus or minus square root of b squared is 49 minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1 and c is 49 over 2a is 2. And here it will be negative 7 plus or minus the square root of, in here 49 is common, so we factor 49, and this divided by 49 is 1, and 4 times 1 times 49 divided by 49, it will be 4 times 1, and 4 times 1 it will be 4, right, and over 2. So it will be x is equals to negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 times 1 minus 4 it will be negative 3 over 2. And this is equals to negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 is 7, so we write 7 in here. And the square root of negative 3, it will be the square root of 3i, right? And over 2. So in here, we have two complex solutions. So from this equation, x cubed, x to the power of 3 minus 7 to the power of 3 is equals to 0. We have three solutions, right? X is equals to 7, and these two complex solutions. So in next step, we write this equation. X to the power of 3 plus 7 to the power of 3 is equals to 0. So we write in here x to the power of 3 plus 7 to the power of 3 is equals to 0. And this is in the form of a cube plus b cube, and it will be a plus b times a square minus ab and plus b square. So write in this form, and it will be x plus 7 times x square minus 7x and plus 49 is equals to 0. And here we have two solutions. X plus 7 is equals to 0, or x square minus 7x plus 49 is equals to 0. In here, x is equals to negative 7, right? And from here, we have quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is 1 and b is negative 7 and c is constant, is 49. So it will be x is equals to negative b. Negative 7 is positive 7, so 7 plus or minus square root of b square, negative 7 square, it will be 49, and minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1, and c is 49, right? Over 2a, 2 times 1 is 2. And here, it will be 7 plus or minus square root of. In here, we factor 49. So this divided by 49 is 1, and minus 4 times 1 times 49 divided by 49, it will be 4, right? Over 2a over 2. So in here, x is equals to 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 is 7, and 1 minus 4 is negative 3, and the square root of negative 3, it will be square root of 3i and over 2. So in here also we have two complex solution. So our final answer for this problem is from here we have three solution, 7 and negative 7 plus or minus 7 square root of 3i over 2. So we write in here x is equals to 7 and x is equals to negative 7 plus or minus 7 square root of 3i over 2. And also in here we have 7 plus or minus 7 square root of 3i over 2, and from here we have x is equals to negative 7. So we write in here x is equals to negative 7. So we have 6 answers for this problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.